Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with Sam's Bead Box for May 2026. This is Boho Rainbow. If you're interested in subscribing to the Sam's Bead Box, use the coupon code Turquoise for $5 off your first box. This one was designed by Jody. She says, as a kid in the early 80s, I loved watching Stevie Nicks on MTV. I'd see her dancing in flowy dresses and grab a blanket off the couch to mimic her spins across our living room. Dreams and Gypsy were early favorites of mine. Even as a kid, there was something in Stevie Nicks' voice that spoke to me. It wasn't just beautiful, it was honest. As I got older, I started to understand the stories of the songs and how the music came from real heartbreak. Stevie taught me to be confident, unapologetic, and creative in my own unique way. For this box, I was inspired by Stevie's independent bohemian spirit. Sam, Rachel, and I curated a joyful rainbow of colors in a variety of bold shapes, from the geometry of the carnelian cubes to the soft purple of the bellflowers and the sparkle of the camellias. There's so much to mix and match. I especially love the pendants we found: a purple ceramic flower, a green aventurine donut, and Czech table cut coins in special glass mix. I hope you feel a bit of Stevie's creative energy as you design with the box, Jody. That's exciting. I'm excited about this. We all know I love rainbow stuff. You know I love boho stuff, so let's get started. This is a list of ingredients. They have it in the stranded selections and then the baggie. We'll just kind of pull everything out. Sam's Bead Box uses all recyclable packaging for the box itself. I already broke into this earlier last month and took all the candy out. And here is the color palette. I'm loving that yellow. Let's see what's in here. All right, here's that donut, green aventurine donut, 30 millimeter, 10 millimeter hole, one piece. Tone varies, natural inclusions. Cute. It's a go-go bead, or a go-go shape. So regular donut has the hole right in the middle, but the go-go shape is with it towards one side or the other. Cute, cute, cute. Table cut freeform carved coin boho sky mix, 20 millimeter two-piece set. Oh, that's pretty. I'm guessing each bead's gonna be wildly different because you can see that red and the blue, and then in the back, like the table cut didn't get all the way through, but there's some yellow. That's interesting. Handmade hibiscus flower, ceramic, lavender, 31 millimeter, 7 millimeter hole, small imperfections in glaze coverage, and slight rough edge in center hole. I like that they put that piece of wood in there to keep it stable and not crack, so that's really nice. This is nice. If you were gonna use this on like leather or even beading wire, I would be careful not to use it on the part where the ceramics is exposed, because that can be a little bit rough on your substrate and over time cause it to wear. So I would either glue a bail to this or make sure that it's attached in a different place, or even just like get some epoxy or something and cover that up. Really pretty though. Oh, that's pretty. Czech glass carved bird, matte turquoise bronze, 11 by 21 millimeter. Cute. We know I love a turquoise bird. Adorable. I love him. Czech glass teardrop, lavender amethyst, 5 by 7 millimeter, 11 grams. That's pretty. Not my favorite color of Czech glass purple. I'm so picky though, and you guys have heard me say that over and over and over again when we're looking at Czech glass purple. I'm very picky about it, but I like the little tiny drops. Those are super cute. Oh, these are nice. These look like little apple, like candies. Czech glass freeform drop, olive, 11 by 12 millimeter, 10-piece set. Yeah, those are yummy. I want to eat those. These are beautiful. Czech glass ornate rectangle, matte mustard, silk blue, 10.5 by 12 millimeter, 6-piece set. These are beautiful. You know I love turquoise. You know I love mustard. So those together are just beautiful. Would want those on a bracelet so I could look at them all day. Antique copper, made in Greece. Feather link, 10.5 by 38.5 millimeters. 2 pieces. Boho layered drop pendant, 23 by 29 millimeters. 2 pieces. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I like those. They kind of look like pebbles or something. I like that. And then cute little feathers. Definitely boho. I really like these. We have Czech glass poppy flower, orange and fuchsia stone Picasso, 15.5 millimeter 4-piece set. All right, so there's two pink, two orangish red. They're both coated. Both pink, I like both of them actually. I like both colors, but the pink I like a little bit better. They're both pretty though. I like that shape. It reminds me of Southwestern. I don't know why, but it's just like more organic, more rustic. I like that. And then we have strands and some seed beads. We have rhodonite box, facet cube, 5mm 20-piece strand. That's a really pretty color for rhodonite. Sometimes rhodonite can be kind of muddy or black. And sometimes black and pink rhodonite's really pretty, but I like the more peachy pink here. Texture, Czech glass textured round fuchsia stone Picasso, 8mm 15-piece strand. I, again, really love that pink finish. Those go really well with those pink flowers. Czech glass fire polish round boho sunset mix, 4mm 48-piece strand. This is really fun. I love that. And I do like it's like a boho sunset rainbow. Like, I just love those 3 or 4 colors together. Really pretty. That's one of my favorite things in this box so far. Czech glass diamond oval terracotta and yellow silk mix, 9.5 by 15mm 8-piece strand. Love that. Again, I'm getting a lot, like boho and Southwest really go hand in hand to me, so that's why I'm getting a little bit of a Southwestern flair, although I am seeing the rainbow too. So, but these I absolutely would do together in a Southwestern piece. I don't know that I would particularly make it rainbow, but like these 3 already are screaming at me, and maybe with these guys to do something like those. And then this too, Czech glass melon mix terracotta orange mixed copper, 4 to 5mm 35-piece strand. Those go so well with that too. This is really nice. This palette goes so well together. Like all of these actually. All of these pinks and oranges and yellows are really floating my boat. I like that. That looks really pretty. Carnelian kite facet cube heated, 10 to 11mm 10-piece strand. These are really cool. I don't think I've ever seen this shape in a carnelian, and I just love carnelian so much. Again, really mixes well with that orange, pink, yellow color palette with the copper. Mookaite faceted regular tube, 7 by 9 to 11mm 12-piece strand. Again, Mookite's gonna go really well with this whole color palette. Like there are other colors in here that represent the rainbow, but man, they did a really good job of mixing like this 6-pack here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those 8 items go so well together, and actually 9 because of these. But then there's still a lot left in here. Oh, this looks really cute. Did you just hear Opal's ears? When she shakes, her ears flap. Camellia flower crystal copper AB 14mm 6-piece strand. Those are really pretty too. Those go really well. Like this color palette would have been great by itself in the whole box, but you know, everything else is really pretty too. Czech glass fire polish rondelle mix green meadows, 3 by 5mm and 5 by 7.5mm 22 pieces. That's pretty. Those are pretty greens, and the greens go really well together too. Like they did a good job. Like it's hard to mix greens sometimes or match greens, and I would never think to put these 2 greens together, but them incorporating this rondelle that has the 2 greens in it, genius. Genius. I love that. Fantastic. Czech glass fire polish round summer days mix, 6mm 28-piece strand. These are so super duper cute. I actually just used some pink and red 8mm Czech glass rounds, and I love that we're like half pink, half red, and I love when they do this split in Czech glass. So I love those. Not a whole lot of blue in this box, although I think we're getting to at least one other thing that has blue. Czech glass leaf front drill blue sky mixed copper, 9 by 14mm 12-piece strand. Those are really pretty, and that actually works really well with that half blue round. Very nice. It's funny that the turquoise kind of seems off in the way that the other beads coordinate with each other, but I don't mind it because I like turquoise with oranges. So, oh, you know what? This was not This was the Druck Round Periwinkle mix. Okay, and this was the Fire Polish Round Summer Days mix. Okay, sorry, I wasn't paying attention. But this has 4 colors on it. We have a sky blue, a purple, a pink. I love that pink, and then the green. Green matches really well with everything. The blue kind of is in between this blue and the turquoise. The purple matches the flower pretty well. And then the pink goes really well with that stuff. So very nice. Czech glass bellflower, purple stone luster, 4.5 by 7 millimeter, 25 piece strand. Those are actually really nice. I like this color purple, and it seems to be more of a lesser finish than just like the glass itself. But those are really pretty. Those are really, really cute. And then we have Jody's Boho Seed Bead Mix, 8/0 Mayuki round. And it looks like we've got like an orange, blue, a darker blue. I think there's a purple and even a lighter blue in there. So very nice. Very nice. Great job, Jody. Great job, Sam and Rachel. My favorite things were these. This strand, surprisingly, even though it's tiny, and these flowers in this guy. But everything's pretty great in this box. I think, I don't know. I just don't know what I'm going to make. I'm not going to make anything in this video, but I know a lot of you like to see what I have to say about the beads. I don't know that you agree with me ever, but I know you like to hear what I have to say. So even though I'm a little late on this one, I'm excited that I got to open it. Jody is a fantastic person. I've met her in person. We got to hang out at Tucson show a couple times, and she's so great. She's funny too. So thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in subscribing to Sam's Bead Box, use coupon code Turquoise to save $5 off your first box at samsbeadbox.com. I'll see you next time, and stay tuned for Goldie and Opal. Bye-bye.